We are here in vertical garden.
We go down?
We call it Mount Kaputar National Park. See, this is the big rocks.
Wait,
Big
we
rocks
will go.
formation.
When I go there. The stair there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yalla.
You want to go downstairs, Auntie?
Yeah. We go
Auntie, kwan na ni Hayden. We go downstairs.
Yalla.
Just to stay here.
Oh, you stay here? Yalla, baby.
Yeah. Because I do the video, I show this one.
Yeah.
We go downstairs.
Come.
Christine is already downstairs. Wave, Christine and Jepsy. I follow Turian. We are here in the mountain. Look, big rocks. Sorry. Big rocks. A bit scary going down the stairs. How many hours from Bingara from here? 1 hour. From Bingara to come here is 1 hour. See, we are down. Big rocks.
Oh, you're doing a video?
Yeah. Subscribe my video.
$30 per shot. One more.
See,
That's right.
where is Aiden? Aiden! Aiden is here.
One.
Aiden is here. And Auntie.
Out there, Jiffy. 1, 2.
Haka! Huh? What? Later on, I will come here. I will not cut my video. Here. Wait. See the water. See over there. And over there. A bit scared. Scary over there. I don't want to go. Huh?
Jiffy.
There. Come here.
Still another over there. Gypsy, like here.
Come here, baby.
Maybe you can go